Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a killer bee right here. It's a 1970 Dodge Super Bee. Just look at this thing. It is gorgeous. It's a genuine V code in the VIN number. That means there's a 446 pack under the hood of this thing. Also has the N96 air grabber system. 180 miles on a rotisserie restoration. The bottom of the car looks like this. Go to volocars.com and that's where you can find 100 pictures top to bottom and complete description of the car and the price. Not only this car, we do have a few hundred collector cars all for sale. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, I mean, do I need to say anything in this video? Look at the stance, the scoops. Hemi orange, no vinyl top. You got the C stripe, the wing, the wheels. I mean, this thing is just hot. And it was born like you see it. The wing probably was added. Underneath the car, they put it on a rotisserie. It means just like what it sounds like. It's flipped on its side. That way they can really do a nice job. The floors are beautiful. Other than a trunk floor they put in here, a professional job. Looks like factory did it. I believe it's original metal on this car. So the floors are clean, the frame rails, the inner rockers, all that stuff is all clean metal, and it's painted the same glossy Hemi orange. All the components under the car are restored. The complete brake system is restored. New brake lines, hoses, a new fuel system. The tank, the straps, the sending unit, the fuel lines are new. New dual exhaust. They did put Flowmasters on there. You'll hear that in a few minutes. It sounds great. You look up at the bottom of the motor. It's obviously all still clean and painted and fresh. There are some dents in the oil pan. They used the original oil pan. It has some dents in it. Starter looks new. 727 automatic trans been completely rebuilt. The drive shaft, the rear end, all that's painted and real nice. It has 323 gears in the back. The front end's completely rebuilt. All the bushings and components taken apart, cleaned, painted, and then all put back together with, all the new stuff, bushings, shocks. The rear suspension was out, new bushings, new shocks back there too. So underneath the car is like brand new. The body's outstanding. I was in the trunk looking. I don't see any cuts or splices. I believe they're the original quarter panels. The bottom lip of the door is clean. The fenders are clean. So the body's absolutely straight. Everywhere I looked, across the roof, the trunk, anywhere you want to look, it is straight metal. The gaps are nice and square. And it was born EV2. That's Hemi orange. So it was born this color. It is slick. It's slick to the touch. Polished out like orange glass. It's got the Go wing. This whole back panel looks like new. The Super Bee emblem, the bumper, all of that is pristine. The rear window is really excellent. I see one little scratch over there. It's crystal clear. All the stainless moldings are straightened and polished like chrome. New windshield and gasket. New mirror, new door handle. The vent window frames. This one's really nice. The other side has some pitting on the vent window frame. Yeah, this one looks new. It's a real N96 Ram Charger, they call it on the Dodge. These are functional scoops, the chrome, the emblem, the hood pins, all that's excellent. The bumpers and grill look like new, the Super Bee emblem. This molding down here is original, and it's a little freckled just from road debris hitting it. Has the correct antenna, which also looks new. The motor was completely rebuilt. It is a period correct. It's a date coded 440. It's a genuine HP motor, so it's not, out of a 74 motorhome or anything. It is a real HP motor, dated. It's correct for this car. The 6-pack carbs that are on there, I was told by the restorer, those are NOS carburetors. They're tuned and dialed in and running really well. Interior is completely restored. Trunk compartment's pristine. Since they added the wing on it, though, it doesn't want to stay up by itself. Trunk floor, like I said, is spotless under here. Has a new mat, has the sticker, has a new weather strip. The wiring looks new. The tail light and marker light housings are new or restored. The spare rim is orange. It's got a BF Goodrich tire. So it doesn't want to stay open on its own. And I see the base of the jack, but I don't actually see the jack. So that must be missing. And if you lift the trunk mat, the orange paint, there is a section of paint that's kind of lifted. It might eventually flake off, but it's perfectly clean metal. The interior is really nice. Obviously new cushions in the seats because they're nice and firm. All new upholstery. Every component in here is beautiful. First of all, the engine bay is all clean metal, painted orange, glossy. Has its original fender tag. The VIN number is stamped on the core support that matches the car. Every component looks like new. The alternator, the power steering, the pulleys, the brackets, the air cleaner assembly, the whole Ram Charger system's complete and beautiful. It has reproduction Mopar hoses, clamps, new correct fan and shroud. Mopar radiator has the correct cap, has the horns, has a washer bottle. The wiper motor looks new. The battery's bolted down properly, has new cables. So we got new carpets, we got some aftermarket Super B floor mats, door panels and armrests are new, the metal trim's painted. The whole instrument dash area is beautiful, nothing's cut, nothing's broken. It has the original AM radio, new glove box liner, has a new instrument panel, so a little bit of chrome around the gauges and all the knobs, that's all sparkling. Does have the factory tachometer. The speedometer and the fuel gauge are both new, and the speedometer has 181 miles. That's since it was restored. Steering wheel's pristine. The center console is really in nice shape. Not brand new, but really nice. Seat belts are coming. The gentleman I bought the car from sent them out to be professionally restored. They've had the seat belts for a few months. They're done. They're on their way to me. So I have new restored seat belts. The door jambs are beautiful. New weather strips, new sill plates. It has the VIN number decal in the door jamb. The brackets and hardware and wiring and everything is real nice. All stock motor. The distributor, the valve covers, the exhaust manifolds all look stock. Yeah, the seats feel nice and firm. Headliner's tight, visors are nice, dome light works, steering wheel's not worn, it still has the texture. If you got two keys, I'm always going to pick the wrong one. Sounds like a Mopar. Even the door jambs up here by the hinges are beautiful. Looks like the tachometer's working. Alternate amp gauge is working. We might have to look at the gas gauge. It says below empty. Not quite warmed up enough yet. It's almost there. Now you can hear the idle. That's what I was looking for. Okay, the vent window frame's beautiful. I guess it's right here where I seen some pitting. It's the only piece on the car. Doors shut nice. So obviously it just needs to warm up a little bit, but I don't want to stink up this little room here. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact the salespeople. I just gave you my honest impression of this incredible car. But if you have specific questions or concerns, go to volocars.com. The salespeople will help you. They will also make the financing, delivery, and paperwork real easy for you. If you just enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you click on the bell icon, you'll be the first to see the next one that's posted. Thanks for watching.